Hello students, our today's topic is neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reaction. This is the fourth type of chemical reaction, neutralization reaction. Okay, now see what happen in neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base to produce salt and water. Okay, so in the neutralization reaction, some acid react with base and it produce salt and water. We will study it about acid and base in the next chapter of your chemistry. Okay, now see, one acid and one base when react with each other, then it gives salt plus water. Okay, so this is the form of your neutralization reaction. Now see some example. NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is base. Okay, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is base, plus HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid. Okay, so sodium hydroxide and nitric acid gives sodium nitrate. What is sodium nitrate? Salt and water. Okay, now see, सोडियम NaNO3. सो NO3 तो यहाँ से आ गया और Na कहाँ से आ गया? यहाँ से आ गया. सो this two, okay, OH and H produce H2O. See, one H, two H. So it produce H2O. It gives H2O. Okay, this part give H2O. Okay, and this is what? NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate react with each other. Okay, so here sodium and nitrate react with each other and water is released. That H2O is released here. Okay, so this is the example of neutralization reaction. Now see the another example. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. What is NaOH? Sodium hydroxide. HCl is hydrochloric acid. NaCl is sodium chloride and H2O is water. Okay, so sodium hydroxide when react with hydrochloric acid, then it gives sodium chloride and water. Again, see, this part gives you water, H2O. Okay, gives you water, and this NaCl combined to form sodium chloride. Okay, and this is a salt. This is acid, this one is base, and this is your salt and water. Okay, so form is satisfied here. So this is these are the examples of neutralization reaction. Now see the another type, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Okay, and this oxidation and reduction reaction both are related to each other. Now see what happen in oxidation and reduction reaction. In oxidation reaction, oxygen is added. Okay, that's why its name is oxidation. So in oxidation reaction, oxygen is added here, and in reduction reaction, obviously oxygen is removed from the substance, so its name is reduction. So oxidation means oxygen is added, reduction means oxygen is removed. Okay, what is another definition? In the oxidation reaction, hydrogen is removed. Okay, and in the reduction reaction, hydrogen is added. Okay, so in oxidation reaction, hydrogen is removed, and in reduction, hydrogen added. Okay, so when oxygen is added, then hydrogen will remove, and when oxygen is removed, then hydrogen will add. Don't confuse in between oxidation and reduction. Okay, so many students are confused in between oxidation and reduction. What has to remove, what has to add it. Okay, so don't confuse in it. Oxidation. In oxidation reaction, substance loses electron. Hydrogen is removed. Okay, so the substance loses electron, and in reduction reaction, hydrogen is added. So the substance gain electrons. Okay, now see some examples. Oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, oxygen is added. Okay, so Na plus O2 gives Na2O. Okay, Na2O. Now see, this equation is not balanced. Okay, so this is your work for balance this equation, and in this reaction, the oxygen is added with the sodium. Okay, and it gives Na2O. So this is the example of oxidation reaction. Now see the another example, Mg plus O2. Again oxygen is added with MgO. Then it gives MgO, magnesium oxide. So these are the examples of oxidation reaction. Now see the examples of reduction reaction. In this reaction hydrogen is added. Okay. So Na plus H2 gives NaH. Now see again, this equation is not, the equations are not balanced here. Okay. So this is your work to balance the equation. So when hydrogen is added, then it called reduction reaction. Okay. Now see the another example, KClO3. What is KClO3? Potassium chlorate. Okay, potassium chlorate. This is what? This triangle is the symbol of heat. Okay. So when you apply some heat in potassium chlorate, then it gives KCl, that is potassium chloride, and oxygen is released here. See, oxygen is released here. So this is the example of reduction reaction. Okay. So thank you so much.